Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Series A club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team. He has an estimated net worth of $450 million, in India 3,371 crore rupees, and he owns expensive yacht, private jet and cars. Then let's get it on. Number 1. Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus. The car was gifted by his wife on his 35th birthday. The cost of the car is $620,000, in India 4.64 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 280 km per hour and can reach from 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. Number 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The cost of the car is $50,000, in India 1.14 crore rupees. It is a 4-wheel drive car, comes with 6.2 liter HEMI V8 engine, and it can reach to the top speed of 290 km per hour and can reach from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Number 3. Bugatti Chiento Diachi. By many online sources, it is confirmed that the owner of the car is Cristiano Ronaldo. The cost of the car is $8.9 million, one of the most expensive car purchased by Cristiano Ronaldo. In India, 66.68 crore rupees. It is a rare car, only 10 units will be available in the market. The car can reach to the top speed of 380 km per hour and can reach from 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds. Number 4. McLaren Senna. The cost of the car is $1.2 million, in India 8.99 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 334 km per hour and can reach from 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The cost of the car is $330,000, in India 6.95 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour and can reach from 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. Cristiano Ronaldo private jet. He owns a Gulfstream G650. It costs around $65 million, in India 487 crore rupees, and the interior of the plane is customized by Ronaldo, which costs around $5 million. It can carry up to 11 passengers in it and can travel up to range 12,964 km with the speed of 982 km per hour. Cristiano Ronaldo private yacht. It costs around $19 million, in India 142 crore rupees. The yacht offers hot tub, bar, gym and a water slide into sea, and due to COVID-19 pandemic, Cristiano Ronaldo self-quarantined in his home country of Portugal on his island at Atlantic Ocean near Madeira. And guys, today's question is birth date of Cristiano Ronaldo. Option are A, B, C, D. Please write full answer